Hey guys, so I just finished my 2.5, actually more than 2.5k hike. It was about 4 point something because we got lost. But the video is gonna play now, and I hope you all enjoy it. You all get to see all the beauty in detail, and yeah, see y'all later.
It's so hard to be near you. You make it hard for me to breathe. And I can't stand to see you smile, 'cause it kills me from within. Your voice is like an arrow that pierces me through the heart. And your touch is like fire that will burn my skin.
I'm gonna post it on YouTube, eh?
That's why YouTube.
I have a channel.
Oh, you've got a channel?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I also love pictures.
It's a video. I'll tell you just now.
'Cause I'm
Instagram, Facebook. I see the thing at the back, you know? Can you just... What makes hiking so versatile is the fact that you can actually reach on a mountain without knowing it. Like here, right over here, we are right on top of a mountain, and it is stunning. The view is beautiful. Look at the trees. I love nature. this is the waterfall area. There you go. There's like a zip line there that you can actually go through across. I'm gonna show you just now. I'll give you a better view of that. And I'm actually thinking of going through that. Let's face our fears, guys. Let's face our fears. See, that's the zip line I was talking about. Definitely, for sure, I have to try that out. Definitely. These are the caves. Yeah, I think so. This is like Joshua, whatever cave. Something like that.
Yeah, Dawson.
Dalsy Cave. On our way to the crocodile, mini crocodile, should I say place or house, or I don't know whatsoever you want to call it, but that's where we are headed to. It's quite a fun place here. It is so lovely, relaxing, nurturing, and all. Yeah, I love it. I love it. See that there? I'm not yet tired. I don't know how much more or how many Ks more do we still have to walk. But anyways, I am enjoying this, definitely am, and I'm looking forward to come back for the 5K, even the 10K. Unfortunately, we had to do the 2.5K today just to cater everyone's physical conditions, and but it's cool. It's cool. As a start off, it's fine. It's okay. Okay, we've reached this crocodile area. I was sitting. Is it? Is the crocodile area? No, I thought it was. Is it the crocodile area? Crocodile? No, hey, it's not. Hey, what? I thought it was. I thought this was a crocodile. Like let me just see, let's try and zoom in. No, these are just rocks. These aren't crocodiles, they're just rocks. I don't know, but I'm sure they are crocodiles here. But we are exiting the riverside now and heading onto the mountains. Heading onto the mountains. This is so beautiful. All the way up. All the way up. Jesus, this is kind of steepy. This is steepy, guys. Like, really, it is steepy. On a serious note, I'm exhausted. Okay, let's climb this steepy hill. Like, I'm exhausted. I'm already exhausted. I'm tired. Scary part, we are now walking down this bridge. Let me show you. Okay guys,
Yeah.
I think I am scared.
I can't see you.
I think I'm scared. Just wait. Hey, a video. Yeah, I'll do a... Hi guys, I'm scared. I'm so scared. I can't. Okay guys, I'm freaking out. How did you make it past, Jade? This bridge is literally moving. It's moving. It's scary. Honestly, it's scary to the core. So guys, I'm just grabbing something to eat up here. Okay, and it appears that we got lost. We are following the 5k trial. We now on like 3.7 k's and we're only supposed to do 2.5. So yeah, heads up to us, heads up. But anyways, we're tired. It's understandable why we're tired, because we only chose the 2.5k while we're already on the 3.7. This is tiring, really. It is. But anyways, toodles. Cheers to my pair. And powering some energy to fuel up. So now we're actually going back. We have to go back because we obviously don't want to finish the 5k. We don't want to finish the 5k. We'll be stuck here for the entire day. So we're actually going back now, and hopefully we find the right route back to where we're supposed to be. Are we there yet? Almost there. We see cars, so there's hope. We're now on the right track. We found our way, and yeah, we're getting there, but exhausted, tired. I'm so tired, guys. But anyways, I'm glad that we are almost there. So we came in a group, right? And half of our group members also got lost. So I don't know where they are. But we'll just ask around and find our way around. And the other half, it's us here with the little kiddos there at the back. And yeah, we should be almost there. We should be almost there. Just exhausted. Yay! This is a good sign. Good sign. Okay guys, I don't know if anyone else sees this, but this guy here seems to be waiting for me like Jack was waiting for Rose at the end in the Titanic movie. Okay guys, another suspension bridge. This one appears to be much more firmer than the other one. Much more firmer, but I'm not too sure about that. I doubt that. Let's just take it slow. Take it slow. Take it slow. My specs still there? Good. Okay, I am cutting the video. I'm scared now. See y'all on the other side. Okay, see you on the other side. I'm scared. Wow. I have faced my fears of heights. I'm over the bridge. I'm over it. The suspension bridge. It's quite scary because it's literally shaky all the time. It's shaky. But yay, we are back to where we had begun. Back to the parking lot. I'm glad this is over. I had a great time. I managed to face my fears, well, some of it, not totally. But yeah, I am looking forward to come again. This time for the 10K hike. And yeah, see how it goes. Maybe I'm going to take do another vlog for the 10K hike when I'll come back. But anyways, for now, hope you all enjoy the video. Toodles. See you in my next YouTube video. Remember, face mask on. Okay, bye. That's the rest. That's the rest of our group members. What time did you get here? Did you also get lost? Oh my god. You joke, that must have been scary. I think we went for a 5K hike, honestly.
We went on a 5K hike.
Definitely.
And Shiva and them went on a 10K. I'm not doing this again.
Where are they?
They're not here. Nice experience, but I'm not doing this ever. I'm sorry.
Maybe it was that. You joke, they're not yet back. So they're not yet back. Okay, they are back. She's fed up. Okay. And Sister Liz, how do you feel? A little interview.
No comment.
No comments. Are you willing to come back again?
Me?
Yeah.
No.
Why?
Hell no.
Yeah.
And it was nice one and lasted.
But no more. Don't you think it's great to come back just to exercise some more? Yeah. So true.